everyone! Excuse my pimple na kasing pula ng ating background for today! Yes! We are back in our vlog series. And kung bago ka pa lang dito, please do click the subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll get notified in our new video. So, nandito na tayo sa second part ng ating vlog sessions wherein I will be discussing to you and give you tips on how to grow your channel to achieve the minimum requirements of YouTube of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yes, and alam nyo naman, napakahirap siya when you are starting. Pero, if you start with the right brand, with the right name, with the right channel name, then definitely you'll get through it. Yes, yun po ang ating first ever tip for our second part of vlog series is to have your channel name. Kung baga, yun yung magiging mukha ng inyong YouTube channel. Yung pangalan nyo. Pag sinabi bang Rubeinspired, ano bang tumatatak sa isip nyo? Pag sinabi bang Rubeinspired, ano bang ini-expect nyo sa channel na yun? Pag sinabi bang Rubeinspired, ano ba ang kailangan mong gawin sa channel na yun? Siyempre, mag-subscribe, diba? Alright! Ayun, so, make sure na yung channel name nyo ay talagang pinag-isipan nyo, hindi lang dahil yun yung pangalan nyo or yun yung sinabi ng kaibigan nyo, ng taong minamahal nyo, kundi ano ba talaga yung nasa puso nyo na sa tingin nyo'y how do you say that? Something that would capture everything that contains your channel or the things that you would want other people to see in your channel. In the very first place, ano ba talaga yung gusto nyong ibigay sa mga viewers? Your channel, the YouTube channel, is a sharing platform. For short, it is where people go to get information, to learn something, or to be entertained. Diba? Dahil sa dami ng problema sa mundo, hindi na po natin kailangang dagdagan ang problema natin. That's why we go to YouTube para mabawasan ito. So, kung sa tingin nyo, ikaw yung isang makakapagbawas ng problema ng ibang tao, how do you want to share those things that could help other people? Diba? But before kanila ma-discover, nandun sila, nagsisearch sila ng pangalan mo, ng channel mo. No? Kaya nga pag nung pinanganak ka, ang unang bagay na ipinag-iisipan ng mga magulang nyo is your name. Same thing if you want to be given a life, to have a life in YouTube, you should also think of your name. Not before, but when I started my YouTube journey, my friends were asking me, Ruby, are you sure you'll bring your Rubeinspired na name in YouTube? That's actually my name in my Instagram. You could follow me on my Instagram. Then but maybe I just talked to one of my co-vlogger that I have a different personality there in Instagram. You might not know that it's me, but yeah, it's still me. It's the other side of me. If you want to get to know me more, you could follow me on Instagram. That's Rubeinspired. And there you go. So, tinanong ako ng kaibigan ko, Wala ka ba? Ayaw mo bang magpalit ng channel name? Kasi yan yung nagiging brand mo, yan yung nagiging tatak mo. Yan yung bagay na makikilala ka sa pangalan mo. 'Di ba? So, are you sure? Kasi you could have other names naman para mas madali kang i-search. Kasi it begins with being searchable. Pag number 1 ka sa list, pag search ba na Rubeinspired, ikaw na ba yung makikita nila doon sa YouTube? No? So, yung Rubeinspired actually merong isang bata from outside na may pangalang Rubeinspired but may double, may space in between. Then, eventually, when I was growing my channel, I was uploading more videos, yun, tumataas na yung ranking ko, nasi-search na yung salitang or ang pangalan kong Rubeinspired. But then, sabi ko sa kanya, yes, I'm sure that I'll carry that name because that's what I want for my channel, to be an inspirational channel, a channel that would upload videos to empower and educate people. And one way to empower and to educate people is starting by inspiring you to do well in your journey. Kahit ano pa yan, sa buhay pa yan, o kung gusto nyo magsimula ng yung YouTube, I'll be there for you. Diba? Hindi ako nang bubola, hindi ko type, hindi ko, how do you call that? It's not my thing to make bola you. I'm telling you the truth. Yes, if you want anything, you could, another plug, you could follow me on my Facebook page. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. So, going back to the channel name, yun. After yung pag-isipan kung ano talaga, it should also reflect the content of your channel. So, yun nga, inspirational videos. Yung akin, kaya I was really sure that I will carry the Rubeinspired na name. Actually, most of my close friends were asking me, they were concerned na baka hindi yan papato kasi hindi siya searchable. Who would ever think na may pangalan sa YouTube na Rubeinspired? Inspirational videos or inspirational vlogger, Iloilo, inspiration, siguro mga gano'n na mga pangalan. Mas searchable siya. But for my part, if it's not searchable, then I'll make it searchable for you. Diba? It's about your perspective and how dedicated you are to go to that way, or this way, or that way. Anyway, right? So, ayun. So, upload. Eventually, tumaas ranking. And ngayon, searchable na tayo. But I'll be telling you one thing. Yeah, one thing that makes my channel searchable is when I nagkaroon ako ng extension sa pangalan ko. Syempre, alam nyo na yun. Pag subscriber kita, alam mo na yun kung anong nangyari sa channel ko. Kung hindi pa ikaw, hindi pa kita subscriber, then I'll tell you, subscribe na! Yan, so when I added the name Ilonggo Vlogger, that's when my channel became more searchable dahil sa pangalang Ilonggo Vlogger. So that's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger because most of the Ilonggos or people here in Iloilo would also search, sino kaya yung mga vloggers in Iloilo? Sino kaya yung mga Ilonggo Vloggers? So when you search Ilonggo Vloggers, papasok yung pangalan ni Rubeinspired. Yes, you got it right. So, yun yung isang masasuggest ko aside from thinking of your main or core name, core brand mo bilang isang YouTuber, you could also add an extension name, common name. Generic name. Okay. Because, diba? But then you should also have that main name mo talaga na that would describe you as a YouTuber and your channel. So, mga example, if you have a dance vlog, diba? So you do dance covers. So Ruby dance covers, you could do that. Dancing vlogger Philippines. Wow, feel that. Or you do song covers. How would they? Parang hindi gumana yung yung utak ko. Diba? But most of the time, yun, you have your name, Ruby Vlogs. Yun. Because I also do comment in other channels before I got the name Rubeinspired. So, nag-comment ako ng mga videos nila. But then, hindi din sila nakakapunta ng channel ko because they don't know that I myself is also a vlogger. But when I added Ilonggo Vlogger as an extension of my name, then, yung mga videos na kung saan na papanood ko and I comment into, yung mga nasa comment section, pumupunta na din sa channel ko. So, that's one thing that helped me grow in my channel is when I added the words Ilonggo Vlogger in my main Rubeinspired na channel name. So, that's it for you. That's it for our 6th episode. And thank you very much for staying with me. And I hope I'll still have you for the rest of our vlog toss session. Thank you very much for watching, and for those who wants to start their vlogging career, or kahit hindi siya career, you just want to vlog and you think hindi ka pa confident, I'll be here for you. Just how do you say that? Follow me on like my Facebook page. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye! Subscribe!
Yung pinakahapit ka mo sa akong channel, yan ang panginulat mo. Pindot